Welcome to our budget-friendly living room makeover, where creativity and smart choices come together to transform your space without breaking the bank. Today, we're giving this living room a stylish new look, and the best part, we're doing it all for under $100. Stick around as we show you how simple, affordable updates can make a big impact. The first step in any makeover is decluttering. A clean, open space instantly feels refreshed, making way for new design elements. We're removing unnecessary items, organizing what stays, and creating a blank canvas for our transformation. Simple storage baskets and creative organization can make a room feel fresh without spending a dime. Now, let's add a pop of color. A fresh coat of paint is one of the easiest, most affordable ways to refresh a space. Instead of painting the entire room, we're focusing on a single accent wall to create depth and character. This bold yet inviting shade adds warmth, making the space feel more stylish and cohesive. At just $30, it's an easy, cost-effective upgrade. Next, we're adding personality with DIY decor. Instead of buying expensive artwork, we're creating a custom piece using a blank canvas and leftover paint. Simple, abstract designs or framed fabric swatches can make a space feel more curated, while staying well within budget. By using materials we already have, this project costs next to nothing. Small details make a big difference. We found budget-friendly decor at thrift stores and discount shops, including stylish throw pillows for just $5 each, a cozy blanket for $10, and a modern lamp for $15. Mixing thrifted finds with DIY pieces creates a personalized, high-end look on a low budget. Let's bring in some greenery. Adding plants, real or artificial, instantly makes a room feel more lively and inviting. These small potted plants, picked up for just $10, add a fresh, natural touch to the space. If you're on an ultra-tight budget, gather branches or leaves from your backyard for a free decor solution. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood. We're swapping out harsh, bright bulbs for soft, warm-toned LEDs, creating a cozy, inviting glow. These budget-friendly bulbs cost under $10 and make a big impact on the overall ambiance. If you want extra charm, fairy lights or battery-powered candles can add a touch of magic to the space. Rearranging furniture can completely transform a room. We're moving the couch away from the wall, creating a more open conversational layout. Small changes like angling a chair or repositioning a rug can make the room feel entirely new without spending a penny. Another game changer is upgrading old furniture with contact paper or paint. We're refreshing this outdated coffee table with a $5 roll of wood grain contact paper, giving it a sleek, modern finish. If you have an old dresser or side table, a coat of paint or new knobs can make it look like a high-end piece. Textiles bring warmth and personality to a space. We're layering a lightweight rug over the existing carpet, adding texture and contrast for just $20. If a new rug isn't in your budget, try layering a smaller one over an existing surface, or even using a large throw blanket as a makeshift rug for a boho chic vibe. And now for the final reveal. What was once a plain, cluttered space is now a warm, inviting living room, transformed for under $100. A touch of paint, some creative DIY decor, and carefully chosen budget-friendly pieces have completely redefined the space. What do you think of this budget-friendly transformation? Let us know in the comments. If you love these simple, affordable ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home makeover inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.